Can you explain again what it is?
The 18B R-Type, that's the one that goes in the R-Type. It's the racing engine. So it's 180 horses, and it's about 1,800 pounds. I've had stuff to lighten it.
Wow.
So you're obviously into Honda.
Yeah, and that there signifies, the 5 signifies it's a special car, which means this is a special edition, a true special edition hat, which is super rare. In this color, I believe they only made 250 of them for Canada.
Is that right?
Yeah, so it's a super rare car. That's why
this guy was a fanatic on this stuff.
Yeah, see, that's why I was bugging you earlier. Probably 6-8 months ago over at the bank, I saw you in the car, and I was bugging you about it. And you said, no, it's not for sale. But you didn't tell me that this was under the hood. That's crazy. And you know what that's called, right? That's called a whale penis.
Oh, yeah?
Because it's supposed to look like a whale's dick, I guess. They call it a whale's dick.
And they special LA 1320 headers.
Yeah, 1320 headers. That's those are top notch, sir. Yeah.
Well, the guy was a master craftsman.
Wow. And no AC, no. Okay. Cheaper.
This car, I don't even drive with shoes on. I only drive with my bare feet because it's got the,
And those are the Integra seats out of an Integra.
Is that right?
Yeah. They're nicer than the ones that came in here.
Yeah.
Do you know these guys at Cruising in Mind?
No.
No, it's a group in town. They do car meets and stuff. Not bad.
And he's got her set up.